Hello everyone. The inactive session timeout app helps user to set a limitations of the timeout for the session which are in the inactive state. To set a parameter, we need to get into the settings. Under technical, we can see an option named system parameters. We need to get into that, and from here we need to get into the session timeout time. Okay, so from here, user needs to give a timing when that session will be closed. If that user will be in the inactive state, so for example here I have mentioned an amount as 1. So if it is in 1 minute, so if the user will be inactive for the 1 minute which we have mentioned in the value, it will be automatically show and pop up like it will, the Odoo session will be expired. So let me choose and or give the value as a 20 now. Okay, from 1 to 20. Now let me save this one. Yes, the user can see and pop up like Odoo session expiry. This way, we can make use of this module to close the session automatically when that user is in the inactive state. Thank you for watching.